This tutorial will show you how to install Google Chrome browser onto your Chromecast with Google TV. Just so you know, Chrome does require a Bluetooth mouse to use the browser. A keyboard is optional. You won't be able to navigate the app with just your remote. Let's begin. First, we're going to go to Settings on the top right corner and go down to System, go to About, and go down to Android TV OS Build. And we're going to click on it 7 times. You should see you are now a developer. And if we press back and go down, you should see developer options. Now we're going to return to the home screen and go to the search icon. Go down and click into the search bar and search for Downloader. It should be the first result, Downloader by AFTV News. Click into it and press Install. Once it's done installing, open it, hit Allow, and press OK. Now we're going to go up to the URL field and click into it. Go to bit.ly/cccc, that's 5 C's, TV. This is a shortened link I created of the Chrome installation file. So go down and download the Google Chrome browser APK file. Go to Settings. Go down and turn on Install Unknown Apps for Downloader. Press Install. Now press Done. Press back on the remote to return the downloader, and we're going to delete the installation file since we no longer need it. Press Delete and press Delete again. Now we can return to the home screen. And if you go to Apps, under Your Apps, you won't see Chrome here because this is a mobile app that we installed and it's not built for the Android TV. So there won't be a shortcut here, but I'll show you how to install a shortcut at the end of this tutorial. So first we'll need to connect a mouse to run Chrome. So we're going to go up and go back to Settings. Go down to Remotes and Accessories. Go to Pair Remote or Accessory. And make sure your mouse is in pairing mode. Select your mouse and hit Pair. Now press back to return to Settings and go up to Apps. Go down to See All Apps. You'll see Chrome here, and this is how you'll open Chrome if you don't install the shortcut, which I'll show you later. So let's open it. So just go through the options. So here you can't really navigate with your remote. You will need a mouse. A keyboard will make typing faster. You click on the URL field and it'll populate the keyboard. So we'll go to YouTube. So you will need to use the remote up and down button to scroll through a website. Unfortunately, you can't click and drag with the mouse to move the page or use the scroll wheel on the mouse. It won't allow you to scroll through the site. To go to the URL field again, just click into it. And here you could type using your keyboard or the remote. That's pretty much it. So now I'll show you how to install the Chrome shortcut onto your home screen. So go back to the home screen and go to Apps. And under Your Apps, you'll need to open Downloader again. And go into the sidebar and go up to Home. and go into the URL field. Click into it, and you're going to enter bit.ly/SCCCCCC. That's 6 C's. And this is a shortened link I created of the Chrome shortcut. So download the Chrome shortcut APK file. Press install. You'll see this pop up. Go to more details and go down to install anyway. This app is simply a shortcut icon. So now hit done. And we could delete the installation file. Now if we return to the home screen, you'll see Chrome under your apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.